Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing both devices, update iTunes on Windows 10 so drivers install automatically. Use a genuine Lightning to USB cable. Poor cables block data, not just charging. Plug the cable into the PC, then into your iPhone, unlock the phone immediately. When the Trust This Computer alert appears, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This step authorizes file access and installs the correct driver. Once done, Windows should detect the iPhone as a device, and iTunes will open or prompt you. Once iTunes recognizes your phone, verify drivers in Device Manager. You should see Apple Mobile Device listed. If the iPhone shows as unknown, restart the Apple Mobile Device service. This reloads drivers and often fixes recognition faults. Run iTunes as administrator to allow full access. Then select your iPhone icon in iTunes and choose what to sync. Photos, music, backups. Make deliberate choices. Automatic syncing can overwrite content, so review selected boxes before you click Apply or Sync to start transferring data. To finish, wait for syncing to complete and then eject the iPhone safely from iTunes, unplugging early risks data corruption. If the PC still won't see the phone, try a different USB port or cable, restart the computer, and update Windows drivers. These quick fixes resolve most issues. Make sure iOS and iTunes are current because compatibility matters. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, reinstall iTunes and the Apple Mobile Device driver. Doing so often restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.